We've built our plant in 2002. By now it is still the most advanced industrial oils plant in Eastern Europe. We produce over 50,000 tons of raw materials per year. Our flagship products are lubricants and automotive oils. We care about our planet. That's why we consider all EU's environmental safety requirements. Our quality control laboratory guarantees that our product meets the highest European standards. YUKO exports to 70 countries worldwide, including the EU countries. We are licensed by the American Petroleum Institute, along with permissions from major manufacturers. Our sales department makes sure that our products are available anywhere in the world, at car dealerships, service stations, and online stores.